So this is the bird feeding for my little babies. So I'm just gonna fill that little container right there and go sprinkle some more food for them. Let's see. So this is the amount of food I'm going to sprinkle for the birds. This is sunflower seed and some other seeds. I don't know what those other little tiny seeds are, but they seem to enjoy it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some for them outside. Oh, look at them, they're looking for food. Oh, there they are. Just gonna get them. Hey, hi guys, hi guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it. Okay. Yeah, they tend to fly away, but here they are.